Hi guys, it's Rich from the Computer Geek, and I'm here to talk about Windows 10. You've probably already noticed that Windows is offering a free upgrade to Windows 10, and it'll keep asking you to install Windows 10 whether you want it or not. Some people just don't want to update from Windows 7 or 8 to Windows 10. It can cause some problems for your system if you're already running a stable version of Windows 7 or 8, or maybe your configuration doesn't allow you to use Windows 10. And some of you just don't want to update it, so here's what you have to do. Step 1. It's necessary to check if the upgrade files already exist on your computer by manually verifying if the Windows BT folder already exists on your hard drive. So to do that, let's click Start, Windows Explorer, Organize, Folder, and Search options. You're going to get that pop-up there, and you're going to want to go to View and then to Advanced Options, and you're going to want to set it to View Hidden Files and Folders. So show the hidden folders and files and click Apply. And then OK. The next step is to go back and see if the folder is there. Okay, now we need to find your C drive. So staying in the same place, find your main drive or your C drive, and we're going to look for this folder. $Windows $BT. Then you're going to select that and right click it, Properties, just to see how big it is. Mine is 75 megabytes, so I'm going to delete that. We're going to right click it, delete, and you're going to have to remember later on to remove it from your recycling bin. So that's step 1. Starting step number 2. We're going to close the Explorer. We now have to remove some of these auto updates. And what we're doing here is going to work for Windows 7, but it might not work for Windows 8.1. So click Start, Control Panel. We're going to search View Updates in the search bar, and we're going to find the link called View Installed Updates. Let's click that. And these are all the updates on your computer. There's a lot. So best thing to do is search for them in the search bar. So we're going to search for the first one. I copied and pasted it. It's KB3035583. So I have found that update. I'm going to select it and then uninstall it. This might take a moment. It's going to ask you to restart. We're going to restart it later after they're all gone. There's 3 altogether. The second one is KB2952664. And again, I found it, selecting and uninstall. The third one is KB3021917. Again, we're going to uninstall it and tell it to restart later. When that's all done, we're going to reboot your computer, which I'm doing, and we'll come back as soon as my computer's rebooted. It's going to take a few minutes. Okay guys, my computer's rebooted. The next step, we have to prevent this from loading again. We're going to go back to Start, Control Panel, and we're going to search for Update in the search bar. Then check for updates, show all available updates if that comes up. You might have to wait a minute for it because it's going to try to show you all the updates and even install some updates, and it might take a few minutes. Once that comes up, I've gone to Optional, Updates, and I've deselected Upgrade to Windows 10. Pressed OK. And that's it. You should be done. Reboot your computer again if you haven't already done so, and Windows 10 will not force an update on you. Thanks guys for listening to The Computer Geek. If you have any other questions or problems, don't hesitate to give us a call at 905-426-1784 or check us online at computer-geek.net.